loves, it's Doreen and welcome back. Today I have a makeup video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup, and this is pretty much all the products that I use and just what I do every day. I do like to keep it a little bit more on the natural side, although I do like to make the eyes a little bit more dramatic with the eyeliner and the eyelashes, but that's just my preference. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on which products I use and how I apply them, and this is just what I like to do. So I'm just so excited, so let's just get right into this video. Hey guys, so I'm first starting off with my Cetaphil moisturizer. This will help moisturize my skin because it has been very dry lately from the weather. I'm blending it all into my skin, focusing around my nose because this is the section that gets the most dry on my face. I'm now applying my Lumene CC cream. This product gives me a light coating of color correction, foundation, primer, and SPF. I like how it's light and doesn't feel heavy on my face as normal foundation does. I'm also using a damp beauty blender to blend the product on my face and neck. Next is my concealer, and I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I apply it under my eyes in areas I want to conceal but also brighten up as well. Then I use the same beauty blender to blend in the product. Now comes the contour kit. Taking an angled contouring brush, I use the shade Vanilla from my Anastasia contour kit and pat it on top of the concealer. Taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer, I begin to contour my face with the same brush. Bringing out the Tarte blush, I apply a light amount to my cheeks for some color. With the face makeup completed, I'm going to focus on the eyes, starting out with putting on my Urban Decay Primer Potion on my eyelids, then using my ring finger to blend it in. For my eyebrows, I take my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo and a small angled brush. Using the lighter shade, I lightly fill in my eyebrows. I then coat them in a thin layer of clear brow gel to keep the hairs in place. We're finally ready for the Too Faced Sugar Cookie palette. I love these colors, and the palette smells just like sugar cookies. Taking a fluffy brush, I swirl it in the shade Milk and Cookies and brush it all over my eyelids, blending the color up and under my eye. Next, I use my flat brush and dip it into the shade Butter and Love, applying it onto my brow bone. Going back and dipping into the shade Nom Nom, I use this glitter shade in my inner corner to brighten my eyes. Going back into my palette, I take the shade Burnt into a Crisp and pat that color into my outer corners and lower lash line. Say my name or say it twice. This will create a shadow and give the eye some depth. I use the same fluffy brush from before to blend the eyeshadow and create a slight point facing outward. Next is my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. Using small strokes, I line the top of my lashes and then create a wing by making 2 small lines and filling them in. I go over the liner, making it a bit thicker and connecting it to be one seamless line. Moving on to the lashes, I first curl them with a regular eyelash curler, and then coat them with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love the look of false lashes, and my favorite are the Ardell Natural Demi Black Lashes in 102. To apply them, I use a brush-on duo glue and coat the strip of the lash. To keep the corners from flicking up, I dot on a small bit of glue to the corner of my eyeliner. I wait for the glue to become tacky and place it above my natural lashes. I use tweezers to help make the application easier, placing the outer corner, then the inner to help shape them. I squeeze the false lash and my natural lashes together to help blend them. The glue will dry clear. It takes a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it goes by quickly. To hide the now uneven eyeliner, I just go over it again with the liquid liner. The last step is the lips, which I previously coated in my Carmax Lip Balm to make them soft and smooth. To add color, I apply my NYX Lip Liner in the shade Mauve. I first line my lips, then fill them in. And that's it, I'm done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys want to see more videos just like this one. And also let me know in the comments down below which videos you guys want to see more of. If you want to see more travel, makeup, fashion, anything like that, just let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video next time.